User listing report. From this report, you can view who are the users in your companies. You can access this report from Accountants area, Reports, Audit Reports, User Listing. You can select companies. You can select users. You can select roles. You can group by company or user. Hit View Report button. From this report, you can view companies and users. We have selected Group by Company. Here, users group by company. And if you have more than one company, those companies will display in the report. From this report, you can view company name, username, user role, user status, and username. If you select user, report will group by username. System will display username and companies that user subscribed. This report also you can view company name, username, user role, user status, and username. You can export this report to PDF, CSV, Excel, or these formats. You can print or email this report.